So, whew, a little smoky. Ugh, let me get in here. This is the aftermath of gosh, look at that, of shoving the Tide Pods down your turbo. Don't do that. It's not a good idea. Don't eat them. Just leave the Tide Pods alone. Dang, I need some gas. But I'm taking the car down to the dyno. Greg's hopefully gonna help me swap over. I got the new turbo in here. That will be good. So let's go. All right, we're down here at jmills tuning. He ran up to the store or whatever, but I'm pulling the old turbo off. Went ahead and got all the manifold bolts off, and I'm about to pop it out of there. Feed lines off, drain lines off. Woo! Let's go. All right, got the old turbo off. Look at this. Look at this. Can it even see in there? Look at that Tide Pod turbo right there. Look at this, is burnt Tide Pod right there. So what was it? What I have this turbo running for, like maybe a month, if that. Yeah. So 1 month eBay turbo update review right here. I mean, if it's actually got a little bit of play. You know what? I'm gonna blame that. Is that a lot of play?
No, you want to look for back and forth.
Back and forth?
Well, really, you need to take the downpipe off, but you can kind of. Oh yeah.
That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Yeah. So we're not gonna blame it on the turbo. We're gonna blame it on the Tide Pod.
You can cut right here, right? You cut right here.
We're not cutting right
Come
there.
up here and cut all this.
Well, actually,
We're not cutting that either.
You don't want to lose the motor mount, but you technically could.
No, if we came out here and cut all this up.
New turbo. Old turbo.
Because they just reattach. It's easy to reattach. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of want to go to Wake Forest, see the taco trucks there, but.
I wasn't paying attention when I ordered it on.
The taco truck? I don't want to drive all the way down there and be gone. Oh. So I'd probably just do like.
How does it feel to have all your nuts and bolts?
Good. Rubber boot for the outlet of the turbo. Bigger turbo now, so you need a bigger rubber piece. We're about to get demonetized. All that music. Alright, it's two-step. Gosh, hold your ears. Yeah. Alright, we look. to the Wild jmills over there. But while he's busy and he can't hear me, I just wanted to give him a huge shout out. Jmills Tuning, they'll hook it up. They specializes in Hondas and Acuras, but he has branched out and he does, I believe he does HP tuners also, which is like Chevrolet stuff. I don't know, I don't have much Chevrolet stuff at all. I don't have anything actually, but yeah, so he's a good guy, good tuner, good shop. Give him a call. jmillstuning.com is his website. You can go down there in the description, click on that, and check out all the services and everything he does. He does a little bit of everything, so. What are you doing, James?
I don't even know.
Alright, we're about to go for a ride. This car did make, I don't know, like 550 at one time, but I think he's just got it turned down a little bit right now. Ugh. I think it's like 400. Should I buckle up? I feel like I need to.
Bro, hopefully we don't get stopped by the police.
Oh, does it got seatbelts? Oh, it's got these?
Hey, you didn't have a torch out over here, did you?
Yeah, I have Jeremy's.
No, the big yellow one, I mean.
No.
There was one over there. Steven just found it and was like, who's this? I was like, I don't know.
No, that wasn't mine.
He grabbed it. I didn't know if he was grabbing your shit.
No. Clutchy.
These things are a lot smaller than what I thought they were.
Kind of pops out.
What?
This kind of pops out.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah, get a video of the tap. In like a second. Didn't feel right.
Alright, let's go on lean so we can't really do any crazy pulls. Needs a new hot tune put on it.
As long as it's not smoking a fuck ton, you know to do it for the motor.
Yeah.
That doesn't feel right there.
Needs a little tweaking. I know a tuner though. I know a tuner you can take it to.
Yeah, we know something that can hook you up.
Yep. Yeah, this is first startup. First startup and then
Is your
drive.
wideband in there?
Huh? Yeah, wide band.
Did you wire it?
Oh, we'll wait and do that when we do the injectors.
You want to do that today or not?
James got more time. I don't know. He said he's trying to get out of here. If he's got more time, yeah, we'll look that.
We can put them in there. It ain't nothing to it.
Oh, you ready?